At dahil umabot na ng 22K yung udo ni Diablo ko, so kailangan ko nang palitan yung kanyang air filter. Pero bago yan, bili muna ako ng air filter.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you...
At ito na yung nabili kong air filter para kay Diablo ko, no? Yung Uma Racing na air filter dual kit. So kaya ko papalitan ng air filter dahil parang humina na yung hatak ni Diablo at saka parang lumakas na yung paglamon niya ng gasolina. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. So ayan, nabaklas ko na yung mga lahat na kailangan baklasin para ma-access yung air filter box. So ito yung itsura ng stock air filter sa loob ng 2 taon at 4 na buwan. So, ang dumi. So ngayon papalitan ko na. Lagay na natin to. Yan. So sana bumalik na yung hatak niya at saka yung pag higop niya ng gasolina bumalik ulit sa pagtipid. So kailangan ko naman ibalik lahat na tinanggal ko dahil lang sa filter na to. Yan lang talaga. Tapos try ko to kung okay na ba. So naikabit ko na lahat na fairings, ano, at saka yung pinaka-importante yung air filter na binili ko. So ngayon itatry ko kung ano na ba yung hatak nya, medyo gumanda na ba ulit. Oops! Try natin. Hindi ako expert sa mga ganito ano, pero napapakiramdaman ko naman yung takbo ng aking motor kung ano na ba yung performance ng makina ni Diablo. Ngayon parang gumanda na ulit kasi kahapon at saka nung isang araw at saka nung nag-ride pala kami sobrang hina na ng hatak. Kahit sa Aerox hindi na makaabol hindi na ako makasunod sa kanila, parati na akong nahuli. So ngayon parang medyo lumakas na ulit yung hatak niya pero matatry ko pa to pag sa long ride na talaga. Ngayon dito pa lang medyo na papakiramdaman ko na maganda yung hatak ng makina, unlike before. At dahil na rin siguro yun sa sobrang dami na ng ng alikabok na kumapit doon sa stock air filter kaya humina na yung hatak niya. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero isa rin yan sa factor na nagpapahina ng hatak kapag punong-puno na yung air filter ng alikabok. So yun lang, at medyo nakahinga na naman ulit si Diablo unlike before na parang tawag doon parang iniipit yung kanyang paghinga. Kung sa pa Bisaya mura siya ginatuok. Kini karon hindi naman siya kuhan bago na po diyang air filter, so mura na siya nakaginhawag otro, mura na siya gibutangan ng Vicks. So paano, hanggang dito lang. Ride safe palagi at huwag kalimutan, huwag maging kamuti sa daan. Shout till next video. Babush.